Today I'm going to attempt the Tessera, which is an invention of Torrin Paige, huge inspiration for long hair styles. She invents the most spectacular, elaborate looking styles. So apparently she says Tessera is Greek for four, and it involves having four rope braided buns up the back of your head, sort of a mohawk. So the first thing I'm going to do is divide my hair into ponytails and get four of them going straight up the back. Okay, now we're going to rope braid each of these. Okay, now we're going to bun them, starting from the bottom. So let's see, which way does the twist go? This way, so kind of retwist a little bit as you go. There is a surprise ending, so stay tuned for that. But we're now going to bun the next one up and slightly overlap the one below it. Don't usually use regular bobby pins, but there's a lot of pins, and I'm, of course, always trying to locate all of my Amish pins and spin pins. So this last one, we're going to start a bun, but not going to take it all the way around. And mine is a little higher up on my head than Torrin Paige's was. Oops. Blue. Okay, so I'm going to stop there. Yep. Okay, and then we're going to take the tail and bring it around the outside to sort of finish it off. And that allows you to kind of neaten up some spots too. Okay, so that is the Tessera. Wow. Torrin Paige mentions that it is good for distributing weight because it's multiple buns, so it's not all hanging off one part of your head. And I must admit, this is actually quite comfortable. Alright, I'm gonna go take a picture of it so I can see how it looks.